Hey everyone, welcome back to UpSkillVerse. Today we'll learn problems on trains. The first concept we need to learn is if we have given our speed is x in the units of kilometers per hours. If we have to convert this kilometers per hours to meter per seconds, we just simply multiply that speed into 5 by 18 and that will give us meter per seconds. And if we have given y meter per seconds as our speed, then if we need to convert this meter per seconds to kilometers per hours, we can simply multiply that speed into 18 by 5. That will give us kilometers per hours. So this is the first concept and very important concept. And well, coming to question. Here a train which is about 100 meters long is traveling at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. And he's asking about find the time taken by to pass a man standing near the railway line. So assume here a man is standing. So we have to calculate the time that the train need to completely pass this man. So here if we mark this end point of this train as x, when only this x point reach out this man, then we treat as this train has completely crossed this man. Like if he is a man, this train most goes here. So then only will treat this train has completely crossed this man, right? So because this is the end point of the train, so the x point needs to travel 100 meters long to completely cross this man. So here the distance is 100 meters and the train speed is 30 kilometers per hour. So time taken will be 100 meters by 30 kilometers per hour. So here we can observe that the distance is in meters and the speed is in kilometers. So we have to convert this meters into kilometers or otherwise this speed into meters per seconds. So let's convert this kilometers per hours into meter per seconds. So as we have seen, we need if we need to convert this kilometers per hours to meter per seconds, we can simply multiply that into 5 by 18. So this will give us meter per seconds. So now the speed becomes so here's we get 12 seconds as the answer. So after 12 seconds the train completely reach out this man. Now we'll see another problem in problems on trains. Here given a train which is 110 meters long and is traveling at a speed of 132 kilometers per hour, and we have given a platform which is about 165 meters long. So here he's asking about how long will it take to completely cross this platform. So we need to calculate the time taken by this train to completely cross this platform. So here the train needs to travel 165 meters long as platform distance, and also to completely cross this platform this train also needs to travel this 110 meters long. As we have seen in our previous question, if we mark this endpoint as x, to completely cross this platform this x point needs to travel this 110 meters and this 165 meters. Then only will rate as this train has completely crossed this platform. So for that the distance becomes this 110 meters plus 165 meters. So we'll get 275 meters. And we have given speed as 132 kilometers per hour. Here again distance is in meters and speed is in kilometers per hour. So we have to convert either kilometers per hour to into meter per seconds, or else this meters to kilometers. So let's convert this kilometers per hours to meter per seconds. That will becomes 132 into 5 by 18 meter per seconds. So it will become like this is our speed. So the time taken becomes distance is 275 meters and the speed becomes 110 by 3. So that is nothing but 275 into 3 by 110. So it will so the time is 7.5 seconds.
Now we'll see one similar problem. Here 160 meters long train. So here we have given a 160 meters long train has traveling at a speed of we have to calculate the speed only, right? So it has traveled 16 seconds and crosses a platform which is also 160 meters. So in 16 seconds the train has crossed this platform. So we need to calculate speed. So as we know that speed is nothing but distance by time. So here the distance is 160 meters as platform plus this 160 meters of train. So as we have seen in our previous question, if we mark this point as x, this x point needs to travel this 160 meters of train distance and 160 meters of platform distance, then only will rate this train has completely crossed this platform, and the time taken by is 16 seconds. So it will becomes like meter per seconds, so 20 meters per seconds. If we need to convert this meter per seconds into kilometers per hours, we can simply multiply 18 by 5. That will give us kilometers per hours. So that will become 76. That will give us 72 kilometers per hours.